Hey y'all, here I am, Mysterious. Today I'm going to do a video on dividing a fraction into a whole number. So here we go. We're going to divide 1/3 into 1/4. We're going to divide 1/3 into a fourth. So let's think a little bit. The first thing I do is I look at my first fraction. Here's my first fraction right here. What I do with my first fraction, I draw it out. So draw the first fraction. So let me draw it. I see that I need to draw a house. And that house needs to have 3 rooms. So here is 1 room, there is 2 rooms. So I see my house has 1, 2, 3 rooms. That's what I needed. On that house, I need to shade only one part in it. You with me? So we are going to shade only one part in the house. So if you're watching this video, shake it off. You might be a little bit upset because you were not successful. So shake it off. Now, my second number right here, this one right here, what do I do with that number? What you do is you split it. Remember, we are dividing, so we have to have something to give away. That's why you need to draw it first. What is it that I'm giving away? What is it that I'm sharing? Then what you have, you split it into little piles or groups. So I need to split this 1/3 into 4. A good rule to remember is when you split, this house has been split like this, going up and down. Well, I'm not going to split it up and down again because that's going to mess up things. I'm going to split it horizontal. I need to split it into 4. So here is 1 piece right here, 2, 3, 4. If I look at it across, I see 4 pieces, right? Let me shade one and so if I look at it across like this, I see 4 pieces, right? Let me delete those lines. I just wanted to show you so that you could see 4 pieces. Now, we are basically finished. So how do I get my answer? Where do I look? What do I count? I see stuff shaded. I see stuff blank. What do I do? What do I count to get my answer? Well, let's think about it a little bit. First, we need to think that this is what we gave away. We gave away only the yellow part. That's what we have to share, to divide. So if I share that between 4 people, I'm just going to draw a little stick person. I have 4 people I was sharing with. Well, each person is going to get only 1 piece right here. So 1 for here, 1 for him. So that would be 1 out of 12 because this is only 1 piece and there is 12 in the whole picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's where I got into 12. So each person each person is going to get 1/12. So if I were to write it in there, that's 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12. So each person technically gotten only one piece, which each piece is 1/12. So that's basically all you do. Now let's check to see if this matches my answer when I check it with my shortcut. Keep, switch, flip. So let's check to see if it works. My answer should be only 1/12. So let me write my shortcut. Let me write the problem. 1/3 divided by 4. According to my shortcut, I need to keep, switch, and flip. So let me keep the 1/3. Check that off. I'm going to look up. I need to switch division for multiplication. I need to flip the 4. I have a problem here. What's missing here with the 4? Is missing a big daddy, is missing a denominator. So what do I do to make it fair? Let me give it a big daddy. Let me give it a 1. Now I can flip it. So the 1 will go to the top, the 4 will come to the bottom. 1 goes to the top, 4 goes to the bottom. I'm almost done. Now I need to multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 times 4 equals 12. Bada bing, bada bum. My answers match. Each person is going to get 1/12. I did it correct. My drawing matches. So again, don't be disappointed. As the song would say, you need to just shake it off. Bada bing, bada bum. The video is